Are you looking for the office chair? In this video we will show the 4 best office chair. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Felix King Office Chair. Ergonomic desk chair with adjustable height and lumbar support. Swivel lumbar support desk computer chair with flip-up armrests for conference room. Brand, Felix King. Color, black. Product dimensions, 25-inch DX 25 WX 40H. Ergonomic design. The mesh back of Felix King's chair has excellent elasticity, completely suitable for the waist and back curve. It provides comfortable support which helps you to maintain a relaxed posture in long hours of work. It is easier to disperse pressure and relieve muscle fatigue. Comfortable surface. The surface of Felix King's chair is composed of high-density natural sponge which is designed for the curve of human's butt. It can provide a larger bearing area and can reduce body's pain. With thick handrails and a high-density mesh for excellent ventilation makes your sitting more comfortable. It can also protect your lumbar spine and back. The chair frame made of FSC certified wood. Convenient storage. Lift the armrest, it can be putted under the table. It saves your space and can be easily stored. The armrest can be rotated 90 degrees to relax the muscles and have fun at the same time. It's suitable for living room, study room, meeting room, and office. Multifunction. The height of the chair can be adjusted according to the height of the desk and the height of the person sitting on it. It also features 360-degree rotation. Number 2. Big and Tall Office Chair 400 pounds wide seat. Leather high-back executive office chair with footrest. Ergonomic chairs lumbar support for lower back pain relief. Brand, Exhibit. Color, light purple. Product dimensions, 19.2-inch DX 29.8 WX 54.2H. Size large, office chair. Back style, solid back. Comfortable design. The wide office chair features a thick, soft, and elastic sponge in both the backrest and seat cushion. The ergonomic desk chair's unique saddle-shaped seat and wider backrest design ensure long-lasting comfort for extended work or study sessions. Deluxe PU leather. This leather office chair boasts a deluxe embossing pattern and is upholstered in durable, scratch-resistant bonded PU leather, blending seamlessly with your home office or room decor. The home office desk chairs are just for you. Multifunctional adjustability. With a robust 400 pounds weight capacity, the reclining office chair offers adjustable recline angles, armrests, seat height, and a retractable footrest for a customized fit. Its 360-degree swivel feature provides easy access to your entire workspace. Quality assurance. The heavy-duty office chair is built with top-grade materials, including an SGS-certified Class 3 gas cylinder and a BFEMA-approved metal base. The plus-size office chair undergoes rigorous durability tests to ensure frame and component longevity for daily use. Easy assembly and customer support. The ergonomic chair can be assembled in 20 to 30 minutes with straightforward instructions. For any queries, a professional customer service team is readily available to provide assistance. Number 3. Marsail Office Chair Ergonomic Desk Chair, high-back mesh office chair with lumbar support, flip-up armrests and 2D headrest. Gaming chair with rocking tilt, swivel computer task chair for long hours. Brand, Marsail. Color, black. Size, 27.6 inches x 20.5 inches x 45.7 inches. Back style, solid back. Precision lumbar support. This ergonomic office chair features a separate lumbar support section to keep your spine properly aligned and to reduce pressure on the lumbar area. Compared to standard chairs, the elastic lumbar support provides superior support to help avoid lumbar muscle strain. Ergonomic flexibility. Experience unmatched comfort with our ergonomic desk chair, designed to support your head, back, hips, and arms. The high-back office chair is equipped with a 2D headrest, 90 to 120 degrees rocking recline, and 3.6 seat heat adjustment range, perfect for users of various heights. Softer and thicker cushion. The office chair with lumbar support has a thick 3.14 high-density foam cushion seat to offer enhanced support for extended periods of sitting. The wider seat provides a larger area to disperse hip and tailbone pressure, while the breathable mesh material avoids heat and moisture buildup to keep you cool and dry all day long. Save space with flip-up armrests. The computer desk chair is designed with armrests that flip up 90 degrees when not in use, allowing you to roll the chair under your desk to maximize space. Each armrest is cushioned with soft foam material to ensure comfort for your arms and elbows. Number 4. Office Chair, Mesh Ergonomic Desk Chairs. Lumbar support, adjustable height, armless, swivel function and smooth rolling wheels for home, office, and gaming. Brand, Derovix. Color, black. Product dimensions, 23-inch DX20W x 36.6H. Back style, adaptive back. Material, mesh, plastic. Item weight, 20 pounds. Adaptive lumbar support system, upgrade your workspace with this ergonomic office chair. Featuring breathable mesh for optimal comfort during long hours. The adjustable height and lumbar support ensure proper posture, making it ideal for home office desk chairs or small office chair setups. Comfort with all-day support. 3-inch dual-density foam seat with pressure-relieving design makes this mesh chair ideal for office use. Breathable mesh keeps you cool at your desk while the cushion supports proper posture. Heavy-duty base provides stable support for 8+ hours of continuous use. Premium smooth mobility. This office chair glides effortlessly on quiet rolling casters for seamless movement around your workspace. Heavy-duty base supports 300 pounds with smooth 360 degrees rotation, making it a durable desk chair solution for daily professional use. Ultra-adaptive space navigator. This desk chair has slim frame design, enables 360 degrees movement with 23% more space than bulkier chairs. Available in both armrest and armless configurations for flexible workstation solutions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.